Open up the assembly for case study 4, and your job is to get this working such that this small bevel gear walks its way around this larger bevel gear, which is fixed in space. So the kinematic motion in the assembly environment, it should rotate at the correct number of or ratio between these two gears. And then in dynamic simulation, set up the appropriate joints, and then when I play this, it should walk its way around the bevel gear. And make sure you record this in Screencast, but make sure that I can see your joints over here. So expand everything that I can examine all of your joints in the Screencast.